Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer here. Today I'm going to show you a different way to make kind of a origami paper airplane. So to start, you need a square piece of paper. Make sure it's a pretty thin piece of paper. If you have actual origami paper, that is awesome. Fold it in half like a diamond. Now you're going to take one corner and fold it right up to that line you just made. And now we're going to take this crease and fold it to that line. And now we're going to take this crease and fold it up to that line again. And now we're going to flip it over. See, I have two little pockets that I've made here. I'm going to tuck one inside the other, and I'm going to secure that with some tape. And then I'm going to stick some wings right on top, and this is just a strip of paper right across the top there. That's it, pretty easy. Let's head outside and see how far she flies. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. He went kind of far, probably about 7 feet. So let me know if you're on Facebook in the comments below if your paper airplane flew farther or if you got it to fly at all. If you are watching on Facebook, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next Wednesday, I'll see you guys later.